Good morning, students. For today, let's prove theorem number 4. Statement of theorem number 4 is A square matrix A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is invertible if and only if A is non-singular matrix. Invertible means inverse label ko. Non-singular hai tardi magi determinant se not equal to 0 ne. There is a part ani ni ko. If and only if means implies and implies by. Implies and implies by have se if and only if have se gamana doini ko. When prove to do se kaina first if A is invertible matrix which implies that A is non-singular matrix. Second case, the if A is non-singular matrix, which implies that A is invertible matrix. Invertible matrix already magi determinant do 0 taro hebo ko. Determinant 0 natraga di magi invertible laigani ba. Tuna part kya sure ani laire ko. Proof. First, when I consider tore, let us consider let A be the invertible matrix of order n. A be the invertible matrix of order n and I be the identity matrix of order n. Then nangi E is an invertible matrix to itari there exists a square matrix B of order n such that A into B and B into A is equal to I. See the definition of invertible matrix neko. Here AB is equal to I manahaleko. Then taking determinant on both sides of the matrix equation, we have determinant of AB is equal to determinant of I. By theorem number 3, product of determinant of product of any two matrix is equal to product of their corresponding determinant. So determinant of A into determinant of B sitareko is equal to determinant of identity matrix is equal to 1. Since determinant of A is real number, determinant of B is real number and their product is equal to 1, which implies that determinant of A not equal to 0 and determinant of B not equal to 0, and we have determinant of A not equal to 0. Nangni A se invertible matrix sama lau taraga de khona kai fangai determinant of A se not equal to 0 in a fangai ko, and hence A is non-singular matrix. Minor proof tore. Second part, conversely let A be a non-singular matrix. When A is a non-singular matrix ama nena loreko, then determinant of A is not equal to 0. Then we have to solve that. Aina sort of the A is invertible matrix I sort of the by theorem number 1, A multiplied by S1 A or S1 A multiplied by A will be equal to determinant of A into identity matrix. Since determinant of A is not equal to 0, then dividing both sides by determinant of A, we have matrix A multiplied by H1A divided by determinant of A is equal to H1A divided by determinant of A multiplied by matrix A is equal to identity. A into B equal or B into A is equal to I tareka, where B represents this expression. H1A divided by determinant A is also a matrix amaniko. Nangi matrix A am the matrix B may exist or A ga B ga multiply to say I tare, then B is the inverse of A, which implies that A is invertible and its inverse is given by the formula 1 by determinant of A into H1A. Kuna inverse of any square matrix karigi formula na superior 1 by determinant of A into H1A. In this case, this determinant of A not equal to 0. Determinant of A 0 tabaya deko. Duna theorem number 4 na kay hare nangi matrix sama invertible oigi hay taraga di determinant sa 0 tabaya de. Then singular oiga tabako. Then let's come to exercise 4.5. Question number 14. For the matrix A, find the numbers A and B such that the matrix equation A square plus AA plus BI is equal to 0. Small letter A ga small letter B ga gi value putho o halko. See the matrix A and P. Here is a matrix A whose elements are 3, 2, 1, 1 ko. Then it is given that the matrix equation A square plus AA plus BI is equal to 0. We need to find the values of A and B. See value hoto ini. A square have A square ki value hosiko. A square is given by A into A. Product of A niko. Product rule policy. The first at 3, 1. First row and the second row multiply by first column and second column niko. 3, 1. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 3, 3, 9. 1 into 2 is plus 2. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. And the 1 into 1 is equal to plus 1. Then first row and second row of the first matrix multiply by corresponding elements of second column. 2, 1, ito 3 into 2, 6. 1 into 2 is equal to plus 2, and 2 into 1 is 2, and the 1 into 1 is equal to plus 1. Then find the sum of these numbers. 9 to 11, 6 to 8, 3 plus 1, 4 2 plus 1. Jadi hojik A fange, A square ki value fange ko. Then write the given matrix equation. Given matrix equation is A square equals to AA plus BI equals to 0. There A ga B ga se scalar ni ko. Then write the values of A square. Then A. Write the matrix A 3 2 1 1 plus B. Identity matrix of order 2. Elements are 1 0 and 0 1. Then 0 0 se O ni ko. O matrix represent a 0 matrix of order 2. Order 2 is 0 0 0 0 ito hai. Then see matrix A ko. A means all the elements of matrix A should be multiplied by this scalar A. 3 times of A, 2 times of A record. Then this identity matrix should be multiplied by B. B 0 and 0, B equals to 0, 0, 0 fangeko. Step P river nangi matrix mayam se plus sign loin later. The matrix ahum se ki sum hola se. And the sum of these two matrices is equal to sum of corresponding elements niko. 11 plus 3A plus B. Do the 8 plus 2 times of A plus 0. 4 plus A plus 0. And last element is 3 plus A plus B. Which is equal to 0 matrix ko. By equating the corresponding elements, we have 11 plus 3A plus B equals to 0. Write equation number 1. And 4A plus A, which is equal to 0. Write equation number 2. Do not see the equation ani fange ko. From equation number 1, value of A is equal to minus 4. Putting the value of A in equation number 1, we have 11 plus 3 into minus 4 plus B equals to 0. 11, 3 into minus 4 is minus 12 plus B equals to 0, which implies that minus 1 plus B equals to 0. By solving this equation, we have the value of B is equal to 1. And so, value of A is equal to minus 4 and B is equal to 1. So, A, B ga value hot ko. Now, let's come to question number 15. Question number 15 and 16 important questions niko for 6 marks. 6 marks ki. Matrix A empiric saw that AQ minus 6 times of A square plus 5 times of A plus 11I is equal to O. Hence, find A inverse. Step B river matrix expression ja nang 0 ga haitare 0 matrix ka mane na so toro, and then find kay puthokani A inverse puthokani ko. For question number 15, first write the given matrix A, whose elements are 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, 3. We have to solve that AQ minus 6 times of A square plus 5A plus 11I. Then find the matrix A square. A square is given by A into A. Then find AQ. A square hoseko A square, A into A, matrix A and matrix A. Then apply the product rule. Product rule pansi. First row, second row, and the third row multiply by first column, second column, and the third column of the second matrix. Niko first write 1, 1, and 2. 1, 1, 2 ito hai. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 into 1 is equal to plus 2. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2 is plus 2. 2 into minus 3 is equal to minus 6. 1 into 2 is plus 2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then first row, second row, and the third row multiply by corresponding elements of second column. 1, 2, and minus 1. 1, 2, and minus 1. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1 is 2. And the 1 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 1 into 1 is plus 1. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to plus 3. 1 into 2 is plus 2. 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Then multiply these elements by the elements of the third column. Elements of the third columns are 1, minus 3, and plus 3. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 1, 1, 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 1 into 1 is plus 1. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6. 3 into minus 3, 9. 1 into plus 2, 2. Minus 3 into minus 1, minus minus plus. 3, 3 is equal to 9. Silore. And find the sum of this expression. 2, 1, 1, 4. Cancelling plus 1 minus 1, we have 2. Cancelling 3 minus 3, we have 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 minus 6, minus 3. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. 9 plus 6, minus 15 plus 1 is equal to minus 14. 6 plus 2, 8. Minus 1 is equal to 7. Cancelling plus 2 and minus 2, we have minus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Then find a cube. A cube is given by a square into a. Then write the values of a square, then write a. Then apply the multiplication rule. Multiplication rule policy ko. 1, 1, and 2. Sina multiply the 1, 1. 1 into 4, 4. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1 is equal to plus 2. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into minus 14 is equal to minus 28. 1 into 7 is 7. 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 2 into 14 is equal to 28. Then multiply these elements by corresponding elements of second column. They are 1, 2, and minus 1. Find the sum of product of corresponding elements. 1 into 4, 1, 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1, 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, 2 into 8 is equal to 16, minus 1 into 14, minus 14 is plus 14, 1 into 7 is 7, 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, minus 1 into 14 is equal to minus 14. Last, we should multiply elements of first matrix by third column of second matrix. 1, minus 3, and 3. 1 into 4, 4, minus 3 into 2, minus 6, 1 into 3, 3, 1 minus 3, minus 24, minus 42, 7, minus minus plus 9, and plus 42. And find the sum of, or find the value of this expression. 871 minus 23, 27, minus 69, 32, minus 13, 58. Then we have to show that left hand side is equal to 0 matrix ko. A cube minus 6 times of a square plus 5a plus 11i sa nang 0 tanaba same to ini. Write a cube minus 6a square plus 5a plus 11i. I means identity matrix of order 3. I adun first ko. Second, 6 times of a square means all the elements of a square should be multiplied by 6. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 1, 6. 6 into minus 3, minus 18. 6 into 8, 48. 6 into minus 14, minus 84. 6 into 7, 42. 6 into minus 3, 18. 6 into 14 is plus 84. Then multiply these elements by 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 to 10. 5 minus 3, minus 15. 5 to 10. 5 into minus 1, minus 1. 5 into 3, 15. Then multiply identity matrix by 11. We have 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, and 0, 0, 11. Si matrix se plus ni, si minus ni, si plus ni, si plus ni. Plus nga ta ang kaholas ko. Amukta da si matrix ma'am si value holas. First write 8. Corresponding elements of second matrix is minus 24 plus 5, 11. Then write 7 minus 12. Corresponding element is 5. Corresponding element is 0. First write 1. Corresponding element is minus 6 plus 5 and plus 0. Corresponding element is minus 23. Corresponding element minus 18. Minus minus plus 5 plus 0. 27. Corresponding element is minus 48 plus 10 plus 11. Minus 69. Corresponding element is minus minus plus 84 minus 15 and plus 0. Sifang ko 32. Corresponding elements are minus 42 plus 10 plus 0. Write minus 13. Corresponding elements minus minus plus 18 minus 5 and 0. Last element is 58 minus 84 plus 15 and plus 11. And find these values. 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 18 plus 5 is 23. Minus 23 is 0. 27 plus 10 plus 11 is equal to plus 48, and minus 48 is 0. 69 minus 15 is equal to minus 84, and plus 84, its value is 0. 32 plus 10 is 42. 42 minus 42 is 0. Minus 13 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 18. Plus 18 is equal to 0. 58 plus 15 plus 11 is equal to 84, and which is equal to 0. Didi nangi matrix se kaigi manare o matrix ka manare ko. Here we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then we need to find A inverse. A inverse puthoki doini ko. We have proved that AQ minus 6 times of A square plus 5A plus 11I is equal to 0. Sige sa ina 0 tayo. Then find the determinant of the given matrix A. Determinant is given by 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, and 3. Expanding along first row, we have 1. Find the determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. We have 2, minus 3, minus 1, and 3. By expanding 2 into 3, 6, minus 3 into minus 1, plus 3. Formula gi minus tam lejare ko. Second element is minus 1. Find the determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column. Elements are 1, minus 3, 2, and 3. Expand the row 1 into 3, 3. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Formula gi minus amagadi minus minus plus and plus 1. Sima pasi kasi 1, 2, and 2 minus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Minus am lejare 2, 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, and 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. Minus 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 5. 9 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 14, and 3 plus 3 is minus 11. Since minus 11 is not equal to 0, therefore A inverse exists. A inverse exists already. So multiplying both sides of the equation number 1 by A inverse. A inverse na koi multiply to select. Multiply to center the left hand side se loina kaina multiply to ne is term of left hand side of the given equation 1 should be multiplied by A inverse. Right, A cube into A inverse minus 6 into A square into A inverse plus 5A into A inverse plus 11I into A inverse is equal to 0 into A inverse 0. Then A square minus 6 times of A plus 5A inverse is 5I plus 11 A inverse is equal to 0. Housing nang naputhok to is 11 A inverse ni. C terms se thamore ko. Then transpose the remaining 3 terms. Plus A square will be equal to minus A square. Minus 6A will be plus 6A. Plus 5I will be equal to minus 5I. Then substitute the values of A square. And 6 times of A minus 5I ireko. All the elements of A square should be multiplied by minus 1. Minus 4, minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 8, 14, minus 7, 3, and minus 14 plus 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 ko 6 to 12, and 6 minus 3, 18, 6 into 2, 12, 6 into minus 1, minus 6, 6 into 3, 18. Elements of identity multiplied by 5, 5, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, and 0, 0, 5. And plus minus plus ni ko. Dudi ko na sige value holisi. First element is minus 4, corresponding element plus 6, minus 5. First element minus 2, corresponding element 6, minus 0. Minus 1, corresponding element plus 6 and minus 0. Right, 3, corresponding element is 6, minus 0. Right, minus 8, corresponding elements are plus 12 and minus 5. Right, 14, corresponding elements are minus 18 and minus 0. Right, minus 7, corresponding elements are 12 and minus 0. 3, corresponding elements are minus 6 and minus 0. Minus 14, corresponding elements are plus 18 and minus 5. Minus 4 plus 5, minus 4 plus minus 5 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 6, minus 3. Minus 2 plus 6, 4. 6 plus minus 1, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. minus 8 plus 5 is equal to minus 13 plus 12 is minus 1. 14 minus 18 is minus 4. Minus 7 plus 12 is 5. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Minus 14 plus 4, 18 is equal to 4. 4 plus minus 5 is equal to minus 1. Sumayin tawraga akhoi 11 a cube ki a inverse ki value ire ko. Adudi kai value hotkani a inverse. To find the value of a inverse, we should divide both sides of the matrix equation by 11. 1 by 11, then write this matrix. So a inverse is equal to haraga nang si value se tadoini ko. Now let's come to question number 16. Question 16 naman yung siko. Question 16, if matrix A is the square matrix of order 3, then verify that AQ minus 6 times of A square plus 9A minus 4I is equal to O. O means 0 matrix and hence find A inverse. Question 15 ga chap manadoini ko. Tuga nangi matrix CD change tawada. Question number 16. Matrix A ito ko nang so tawdu se kaino we need to solve that AQ minus 6 times of A square plus 9A minus 4I is equal to 0 neba ko. Today A square puthose. A square is given by A into A. Product will pale ko. Product will pan bakani A square ki value is 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 6 phange. Then find A cube. A cube is given by A square into A or A into A square. First write all the elements of A square, then write A. Apply product rule. Product rule pan bakana kay phange. Value of A cube are 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 22 minus 21 21 minus 21 and 22 si phange ko. Here we have to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then write the expression of left hand side. This expression is A cube minus 6 times of A square plus 9A minus 4I. Write A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I. I means identity matrix of order 3. Whose elements are 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 kya pire 1 pire ko. Lagi mathang danang A cube se thamani. 6 times of A square means all the elements of A square should be multiplied by 6 6 6 36 minus 30 30 minus 36 36 minus 30 30 minus 30 and 36. 9 into 2, 18, minus 9, 9 tareko, minus 9, 9 to 18, 9 minus 1, minus 9, 9 minus 9, 9 to 18, 4 0 0 0 4 0 and 0 0 4. Sige maongda ko na thamme. Left hand side, sige matrix expression si madifange ko. Si plus layer, minus layer, plus layer, minus layer ko. This matrix equation sigi value whole 22. Corresponding element minus 36 plus 18 minus 4. Write minus 21. Corresponding element minus minus plus 30. Plus minus minus 9 0. Write 21. Corresponding element is minus 30 plus 9 0. Write minus 21. Corresponding element is 30 minus minus plus. Plus minus minus 9 tareko and minus 0. Write 22. Corresponding element is minus 36 plus 18 minus 4 minus 21. Corresponding element is minus minus plus 30 plus minus minus ko minus 0. 21. Corresponding element minus 30 plus 9. Imatangda minus 21. Corresponding element is minus minus plus 30. 0 plus minus 9 is equal to minus 9. Corresponding elements are minus 0. Last matrix sige ko. 22. Corresponding element minus 36 plus 18 and minus 4. So may ito ko. Plus layer mani plus itare minus layer magana minus itare. Step period the numbers sa sige value wala si. 22 plus 18 is 40. Minus 36 minus 4 is 40. Minus 21 plus minus 9 30. Minus 30 layer ko. 21 plus 9 is 30, 30 minus 30, minus 21 plus minus 9, 30, plus 30, minus plus 22, 18 is 40 minus 40. Nang value ma'am zero ire. Ma'am subtract down na bada all the elements are 0 fange ko. this matrix is equal to O matrix. O matrix means 0 matrix. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Here we have proved that a cube minus 6 times of a square plus 9a minus 6i is equal to 0. Write equation number 1. Then check its determinant. Determinant of a expanding along first row. First row the expand tobukanda magi value se 4 tare ko not equal to 0. Therefore a inverse exists. So we should multiply both sides of the equation number 1 by a inverse. A cube a inverse minus 6a square a inverse plus 9 a into a inverse minus 4I into a inverse is equal to 0 into a inverse. By applying exponent law, 3 plus minus 1 is 2. 6a square plus minus 1 is a tare ko a into a inverse. Identity tare by definition of inverse of a square matrix. A multiplied by its inverse is equal to identity. Then for a into a inverse is equal to a inverse. And 0 into a inverse which is equal to 0. Then transpose last term. Last term say left right the transpose to this minus sign will be plus sign only. Then write a square 6 times of matrix A plus 9. Identity matrix of order 3. Ito a square ire, then 6 times of a means all the elements of a multiplied by 6 ire 9a. See ito ko. For a cube haibasi madifange. Kasi matrix A plus ni minus ni plus ni ko. Siyan ka holo si. Jadi 6 layer corresponding element minus 12 plus 9 minus 5 corresponding element minus minus plus 6 and plus 0 and 5 minus 6 plus 0 minus 5 corresponding element minus minus plus 0 pangye ko 6 minus 12 plus 9 minus 5 minus minus plus 6 corresponding element of last matrix is 0 5 corresponding element minus 6 plus 0 minus 5 corresponding element minus minus plus ka magina 0 sale and last element 6 corresponding elements are minus 12 and plus 9 is equal to 4 times of a inverse. And write for a inverse then find the sum of this expression. 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 minus 12 is 3, minus 5 plus 6 1, 5 in plus minus 6 is equal to minus 1, minus 5 plus 6 plus 0 is plus 1, 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 12 is 3, minus 5 plus 6 is 1, and 5 plus minus 6 is minus 1, minus 5 plus 6 is plus 1, 9 plus 6 is 15 minus 3 is equal to 3. And then write A inverse. A inverse putoke itardi dividing both sides by 4. 4 na divide to 1 by 4 haraga C matrix sa ire. Then kay value hot pangame A inverse putok pangame ko. So 6 mark question ni important questions ni. For today, let's end here.